Greetings, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where timeless value meets the open road. We're proud to present a CARFAX one-owner 2016 Winnebago Vista LX 36Y with just 13,000 miles. This 37-foot gas-powered masterpiece features the highly sought-after 36Y floor plan with 3 huge slide-outs, a king bed, and a drop-down overhead bunk, sleeping 4 in pure comfort. Dressed in Winnebago's elegant cream full-body paint package, it's Ford V10 gas-powered on a Ford F53 chassis. Let's take a full tour of this low-mileage legend. Let's start outside, where the Vista LX 36Y commands attention with refined durability. The cream graphics package glows with sophistication, protecting this coach for decades of adventure. Brand new tires all around on polished aluminum wheels. Zero worries, maximum style. Basement storage compartments wrap the entire exterior, offering cavernous space for camping gear, sports equipment, or family treasures. A power patio awning and slide toppers create a shaded outdoor haven, while 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls drop you level in seconds. Powering your journey is rock solid. The Ford V10 gas engine delivers 362 horsepower and 457 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the TorqShift 5-speed automatic transmission for smooth, confident performance. An Onan 5.5 kilowatt quiet gas generator with only 218 hours ensures off-grid freedom. 50 amp service with extension cord, Magnum inverter charger, battery disconnects, 2 roof-mounted ACS with heat pumps, and a 40,000 BTU ducted furnace keep you comfortable in any climate. Now step inside. 3 massive slide-outs transform this 37-footer into a spacious retreat. Up front, the drop-down overhead bunk above the captain's chairs is a drop-down dynasty, perfect for kids, grandkids, or surprise guests. The large living room is a cozy command center. A 32-inch TV on a televator that hides away, dual recliners, and a table dinette with 2 chairs, ideal for movie nights, card games, or morning coffee. The middle open kitchen is a culinary powerhouse. Stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, gas stove top and oven, microwave, stainless steel sink and faucet, and pantry storage. Cook gourmet meals like you're at home. The open layout keeps the chef connected to the action. retreat to the rear master bedroom, a king-sized sanctuary. The king bed is flanked by huge wardrobe closets and drawer storage, with a swing-down 32-inch TV for late-night viewing. Slide-outs on both sides create an airy, luxurious escape. Let's spotlight the standout features. 13,000 miles on a one-owner coach, barely broken in. Brand new tires, drop-down bunk, king bed, 3 slide-outs, and Winnebago craftsmanship, all in a gas-powered, easy-to-drive package. The Ford F53 chassis and V10 reliability mean confidence on every mile. Imagine the memories: towing to national parks, tailgating at the big game, or cozying up by the televator TV after a day of hiking. Drop the bunk for the kids, fire up the oven for family dinner, then sink into the king bed under soft lighting. With only 13,000 miles, this Vista LX is primed for your legacy. Let's revisit the exterior brilliance. That cream paint isn't just beautiful, it's armor against the elements. Full basement storage makes packing effortless, while the power awning and LED lighting elevate every campsite. Back inside, the living area deserves another look. Dual recliners face the televator TV, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The dinette is versatile for meals or work, and the drop-down bunk adds flexible sleeping without sacrificing space. Why choose this Vista LX 36Y? It's luxury without complexity. Gas engine, low miles, one owner, and family-ready features like the king bed and drop-down bunk. Winnebago's reputation plus 13,000 miles equals unbeatable value. Ready to make this cream legacy yours? This 2016 Winnebago Vista LX 36Y is a rare, low-mileage find. Call 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to schedule your VIP tour. The Porters RV sales team is ready to hand you the keys to your next chapter. Thank you for checking out this tour of the 2016 Winnebago Vista LX 36Y. Hit like, subscribe, and share on Porters RV Sales YouTube. With 3 slide-outs, king bed, drop-down bunk, and brand new tires, this coach is a must-see. Call 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com today. This Vista LX won't wait. This is Porters RV Sales. Your journey begins now.